Welcome back. From Monday until the actual CRCT, we're going to be spiraling our lessons. So we're going to actually be diving into problem solving, but our problem solving will be using each of the skills. On your homework each day, you'll have a problem solving on page 1 of 2 for half of page 1, and then spiral review for page 2. It's real important that you make sure that you can do every single problem that is on your homework. If you can't, then you're not prepared for CRCT. So, let's dive into this week's lesson. It says, Allison bought a hot dog and 2 bags of chips. Tony bought 2 hot dogs and 3 bags of chips. If hot dogs cost $3 and chips cost $2, how much money did they spend? Write the expression and solve. So, the first thing when you are trying to solve your word problem is that you have to read it. If you can't read, you're going to be out of luck. Then, after you read it, you probably need to draw it out so you know what's going on. So, my first little step says Allison. So, we know we have Allison over here. And then we have Tony over here. We know Allison bought a hot dog. That means 1 hot dog. And 2 chips. That's the important information from the first sentence. Then we know that Tony bought 2 hot dogs and 3 bags of chips. So we pulled out the important information from each of those sentences. Now we have to figure out what the question wants us to do. It says, how much money did they spend? So that would be my question. How much money and so now we have to write the expression that shows how much money they spent. Well, from up here we know hot dogs cost $3. So this would be $3. Chips cost $2, but she has 2 of them. Tony has 2 hot dogs, so he would have 2 $3 ones. And he has 3 $2 ones. And we could just add those up to get the answer really simple. However, it says to write the expression. So that's when we're going to use our order of operations. So, first I'm going to do Allison. I know Allison has 1 hot dog, and the hot dog costs $3. Because remember, 1 next to parentheses, and we're going to multiply. Plus, she had 2 bags of chips, and each bag was $2. So that's for Allison. But we want to know how much altogether. So now we have to add Tony with this. Plus, Tony had 2 hot dogs, and the hot dogs were $3 a piece. Plus, he had 3 chips, and they were $2 a piece. So now we've written it out in order of operations. And of course, using order of operations, when first we do parentheses, then we do exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So in this we have lots of parentheses. So we're going to have to work this out. Remember, when this number is next to a parentheses, we're going to multiply. So this becomes 1 times 3. So we get 3 plus 2 times 2. Be 4, and that's still in parentheses, plus, now we're going over to Tony's side, 2 times 3, 6, plus 3 times 2, which is also 6. And so now we still have parentheses, but we don't have anything to multiply, we don't have anything to divide, so the next thing we're going to do is add. So 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 6 plus 6 is 12. So when you put that all together, you get $19. So our expression is this, and our total is this. Now if you wanted to, you could have gotten here, like put it on a table, and then you could have counted this up. 3 plus 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and we would still have ended up with 7 and 12, which still would give us 19. Alright, this is the first of 3 videos. We will be focusing on this in class tomorrow, so please bring your questions if you're confused. Bye!